I'm giving these vacuum sealed travel bags a try for the first time because typically when we travel, we use standard packing cubes, but I feel like we're not getting the most bang for our buck when it comes to saving space. And we're going to try these out. So this pack comes with 4 small, medium, and large bags. It also comes with the vacuum pump and clips to help you seal the bags. So again, we're going to see because when we use these packing cubes and I put them into our bags, I just feel like so much space gets used and we're always kind of fighting for space as a family of 5. So I'm really hoping that these vacuum seal bags are going to be a big space saver when we're on the road. So this is a medium-sized bag, which I think is a really nice space to begin with. Like I feel like it has quite a bit of space. The large bags are quite a bit larger. And so I'm going to take what I have in my packing cube and go ahead and put it into this medium-sized bag and see how much space it might save us. And right away, I can already tell that the items of clothing that I have in my packing cube, I can fit more than what I have in that first packing cube. So I grabbed my second packing cube and I'm gonna just go ahead and put those items of clothing in there as well. And truthfully, I could probably even fit more than that, but we'll just go with this for our little experiment here. And so right away, I've got the clothing from both packing cubes in one, and it's like a giant Ziploc bag here that you can close, and you can do it manually, but actually these little orange clips are designed to help you seal the bag really well. So kind of push out a little bit of the excess air, and then you're going to go ahead, and it's really easy to use, very intuitive. You kind of just put that clip onto the Ziploc um, part, and then you just run it across and it seals the bag for you. So you can do it manually, but actually the clip is a nice touch and it makes it faster and more efficient. And then you are going to go ahead and remove the cap there from the middle of the bag, and you can kind of push out some of the excess air if you want, just to get the process started. You don't have to. And then here comes the pump. You can turn it on and off very easily, and it is rechargeable there with a spot for a charging cord. And I thought maybe that you had a twist, but you don't. You literally just put it on the top and turn it on, and then you're going to start to see immediately the bag is, the air is all coming out, and it's vacuum sealing it really, really well. And that's pretty amazing. It's really cool how quickly and easily you can use that. So just put the top back on, and then look at that. I mean, look at how much space is being saved. So I thought at first I needed to put it the long ways, but you can turn it to the side, kind of like I had the original cube. There's still more room on top for more stuff. And before, this would have taken up both of my cubes. So it is for sure saving us space. So there's more room. I could probably get a couple of these small bags up on top of the one I just put in the bag, and with more room on the other side there. So again, this is rechargeable. You can take it with you. So you can throw this stuff in your suitcase so that when you're packing to come home, you can just use the same stuff over again. So very functional, very easy to use, travels well, and just look at all of that space that we have saved.